A water main break opens up a hole in a Rockford street, causing a backhoe to fall in.
Karina Parada joins us now. Karina, the city of Rockford says there are things residents can look out for to help prevent future incidents.
That's right, Eric. Mimi, a city engineer I spoke with tells me residents know their neighborhoods best. If they sense something is off, it's crucial they make a call to make sure nothing is wrong with the nearby water system. A water main break turns into a whole big problem. A piece of Bradley Avenue near Spring Creek caved in as Rockford Public Works crews were working on Thursday.
And as we were peeling back asphalt just to kind of do final restoration, realized that the road was undermined. So the backhoe that was digging did slowly fall into the hole.
Rockford's Public Works Director Kyle Saunders says the now filled hole was about 6 feet deep.
It's been quite a while since we've experienced a break of this size. A lot of times we have service leaks that just, after age, the service line will start to leak. But in the summer times, we usually don't see breaks like this.
This video from a neighbor shows water rushing down Bradley.
There are main breaks, however, that don't surface. So you just have water evacuating the pipe, kind of washing away that fill material. And the longer that water sits beneath our feet, creates these types of conditions.
In an effort to avoid situations like Thursday's hole, the Public Works Department takes preventative measures year-round.
We do about 250 miles per year of acoustic leak detection. We've identified more than 400 million gallons of water proactively that we wouldn't have otherwise even known was leaking.
To be safe, Saunders advises calling Public Works if anything is out of the ordinary, just in case.
If you see water coming out of the center of the street and it normally isn't, give us a call. We'll get there right away. If you're experiencing low pressure issues, it could be an internal plumbing issue, but it could be a break that just hasn't surfaced yet.
Saunders tells me there were no injuries and the backhoe was also not damaged. Mimi?
All right, thanks, Karina.